everyone, Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. Instead of wine charms, let's make coffee mug or hot chocolate mug charms. I've got some check glass and a designed by me bead strand, and I'm going to combine all of them with these amazing ear wires, some seed beads, and you'll see these ear wires are perfect for mug charms, wine charms. All you need to do is add the beads. So I'm going to use some head pins, 2-inch head pins with ball end, and these beautiful Toho seed beads. They're a size 11. They're going to create the continuity across all of these charms. So basically what I'm doing is I'm creating a stack of beads. I'm doing 3 beads on each head pin with a seed bead in between, and 1 seed bead at the base of the head pin and at the top of the bead stack. And then I'm just going to do a simple wire wrap loop. I've got my round nose pliers. I'm going to take my head pin, I'm going to wrap it down and around and pull it back over the second barrel, and then I'm going to wrap around the wire. And just going to do 2 or 3 wraps. Sometimes you might have more than that or less than that. Trim off your excess, and then you'll want to use some chain nose pliers to tuck in the little end of your wire that you've trimmed off. And you'll always want to make sure that your loop is large enough that it will fit onto the ear wire. Shouldn't be a problem, but just double check it. Now, I like to straighten up my loop while I'm actually tucking in that end of the wire, and then I'm going to slide it right on to that ear wire. I'm going to do 2 more drops on each. So I'm going to do trios, and each trio is going to be unique. So if you have a bunch of friends over and you're all drinking hot chocolate or hot tea or coffee, everybody has a charm on their coffee mug. And I just think this color combination, the purples, the blues, the grays, all look so lovely together and so cozy and winter. So I'm just creating trios of these charms for each one of the ear wires. Now, when you purchase That always makes me happy, whether it's the spring, the summer, the fall, or the winter. I think it's especially important in the winter because sometimes those winter months can be kind of cold. Now, with those ear wires, you do want to take the very tip with your chain nose pliers and pull the very end up just ever so slightly so that it will pop into the hole at the other end. Oh, so pretty. Look at those. So, so gorgeous. The combinations and possibilities are endless here. So I just had fun. Let's take a big bead and put that at the top. Let's put the big bead at the bottom. Let's do a stack of beads. Here they all are. So much fun. They all look so beautiful together, right? Look at all that sparkle and that beauty. Here's my mugs. I'm just going to open up the ear wire and attach it through that little loop and then attach it to my other mug. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. And if you have wine glasses, that's where you would just attach it to the stem of your wine glass. So much fun. You can find everything to make these fun mug charms, wine charms, earrings, whatever you want to call them at jessiejamesbeads.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun making these.